All right, we're gonna make a trifold with my sensory choices on it. We're gonna start by folding it in half, right down the center, which will be right on the line that's already dotted right there. And now we're gonna fold on the other two lines here to make the trifold. So there's one, and then over here is our other one. This. Now we're gonna put these two together to make our trifold, and we're gonna put tape on the end. So we're gonna put some here. And then we'll go to the other side. Even a husband can do it, see? And we have our sensories. We've got our sensory choices on both sides, because this is the one with the same pictures on both sides. And then down here, you've got your title on the bottom. All right, so we're gonna try and fold a trifold. So first we're gonna fold it in half, right along this. And then we're gonna fold it again on this line, right here. And on this line, right here. Now we're gonna put glue stick and fold this down on here, pressing in the glue stick. See that? I didn't put enough glue stick on. Now we're good. I've got clicking on one side, and I've got instructions on the other. All right, we're gonna do another trifold. This time we're gonna do it with no glue or tape. So we're gonna start by folding it in half, right on the line. And then we're gonna fold it again and crease it on the two lines that are given. There's one, and here's the other. Over this time, we're not gonna use glue stick or tape. We're just gonna take these two ends, hold them together, and cut halfway to the crease. And then we can fold them together like this. We have our trifold with no glue or tape.
Turn it around again.